Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to fix Twitter suspended account. If your account is being suspended, so you can like unsuspend it easily. It is not a big deal. If you just contact the support team, they will be able to help you and unsuspend your account. I myself have reopened my account if you have not done anything wrong. So step one is what you can do is just go to the Chrome and open it, log in with your account. You can do it the same process from the mobile as well. So just search your X help center, and once you write down X Help Center, so you will see this website help.x.com. Just open this one. And once you have opened this website, so you will see on the upper section, just click on this Contact Us button. Make sure that you have logged in with your account. Once you're logged in with your account, just click on Contact Us button. And once you click on Contact Us, scroll down and they will ask you to select your topic, problem with your account access, or logged or suspended account issues. This is what we are looking for. Just click on this one. And once you click on this one, you will see these three options like appeal, a locked or suspended account. Now you can read that you're not currently logged in into a suspended X account because I have reopened my account, so that's why I'm seeing this option. But if you have a suspended account, you will see all the details like to email them, give them all the details, write down the email address which is being linked with your Twitter account, write down the issue that this is the reason like your account got hacked or what is the reason your account got suspended, so kindly unsuspend it. So one of their team member will go through your account and hopefully will reply you and fix your problem within 24 to 48 hours, and you will be able to use your Twitter account again. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do that.